Hello, my name is Jukka Englund and welcome to the Helsinki University Library PlumX tutorial. PlumX metrics provide insights into the ways people interact with individual pieces of research output, such as articles, conference proceedings, book chapters, and many more in the online environment. Examples include when research is mentioned in the news or is tweeted about. Collectively known as PlumX metrics, these metrics are divided into 5 categories to help make sense of the huge amounts of data involved and to enable analysis. PlumX gathers and brings together appropriate research metrics for all types of scholarly research output. PlumX categorizes metrics into 5 separate categories: citations, usage, captures, mentions, and social media. Citations. This is a category that contains both traditional citation indexes such as Scopus, as well as citations that help indicate societal impact such as clinical or policy citations. Some examples are citation indexes, patent citations, clinical citations, policy citations. Usage. A way to signal if anyone is reading the articles or otherwise using the research. Usage is the number one statistic researchers want to know after citations. Some examples are clicks, downloads, views, library holdings, video plays. Captures. Indicates that someone wants to come back to the work. Captures can be a leading indicator of future citations. Some examples are bookmarks, code forks, favorites, readers, watchers. Mentions. Measurement of activities such as news articles or blog posts about research. Mentions is a way to tell that people are truly engaging with the research. Some examples are blog posts, comments, reviews, Wikipedia references, news media. And the 5th category is social media. This category includes the tweets, Facebook likes, etc. that reference the research. Social media can help measure buzz and attention around publications. Social media can also be a good measure of how well a particular piece of research has been promoted. Some examples are shares, likes, comments, tweets. Next, about research output or artifacts, as they are called on PlumX. PlumX gathers robust research metrics around scholarly journal articles, but research output is so much more. Researchers have many forms of output depending on their field of study. For example, books and book chapters might be their primary output. They might present results at a conference and share their slides. They might share underlying data that relates to their research. They might blog about their research, talking about negative results or what information did not make it into their published journals articles. PlumX strive to gather research metrics around all of these types of research output we call artifacts. Artifacts are any research output that is available online. There are 67 different types of artifacts that PlumX gathers metrics about, including, in addition to articles, books and book chapters, audio files, software, datasets, guidelines, learning objects, news, posters, dissertations, videos, and many more. PlumX metrics are also widely available on many platforms and journal websites. Platform integrations include scientific journals and the research portal 1000 at the University of Helsinki. You can also find PlumX widget on many open access journal platforms. You can start to use PlumX from the Research Visibility and Altmetrics research guides, which you can find here, libraryguides.helsinki.fi/researchvisibility/PlumX. Let's take a look at what an individual researcher's page would look like. This is an example of a faculty member's PlumX page. Here we can see that the artifact summary reflects varied types of work, articles, reviews, and more. You can also browse the 5 categories such as usage, citations, captures, social media, and mentions. At the bottom of the page you can see the details of different outputs. By clicking a certain publication, you can see the highlights of the metrics such as news mentions, blog mentions, and tweets on Twitter. Viewers can click on the green button labeled Analytics in order to get a more comprehensive overview of a researcher's publications. Once on the Analytics page, viewers can click on any of the options at the left to change how they wish to view metrics. The default display shows artifacts by publication year, but there is also the artifacts overview screen and a sunburst representations of the data and filters that can be applied to each faculty member's artifacts. In order to be included in the PlumX site, you will need to give the library permission to set up your profile. You will see the link on the research guide page. Get PlumX profile. It's free. In addition, you will have an opportunity to review your page once it is created. If there is anything you need to change, we at the library will make the appropriate edits. We hope this tutorial has helped to give you a look into how PlumX works and how it can help you to show the impact of your work has had in your field. Thank you for listening.